Did you know that your iPhone is tracking listening you? Turn this off. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Next, tap on Tracking and turn off the option that says Allow apps to request to track. If you see any apps listed below, make sure to turn them off as well so they cannot track your activity. After that, go back and tap on Analytics and Improvements. Inside this section, turn off all the options you see, because these settings allow your iPhone to share usage data and activity information. Then go back again and tap on Apple Advertising and turn off personalized ads so your activity is not used to show you targeted ads. Next, go back to Privacy and Security and tap on Location Services. Here, you can check which apps are using your location. If you find any app you don't trust, tap on it and change the permission to Never. After that, scroll down and tap on System Services. In this section, turn off the location features you don't need, especially things like location-based suggestions and ads, but you can leave important ones like emergency services or Find My turned on. Then tap on Significant Locations, turn it off, and clear your history. This stops your iPhone from saving places you visit often. Finally, scroll down and turn off any location improvements options to reduce extra tracking. After following all these steps, your iPhone will share much less personal information and track your activity less. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and